Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell on so you never miss a future upload, and if you want to see how I did this look right here, then just keep watching. First, I'm just priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Then to set my lid up to my brow bone, I'm going in with Full Zip from the ColourPop Yes Please palette. Then I'm going in with the shade Calavera from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm putting this on my outer eye. Then I'm going in with the shade Royal from the Kylie Cosmetics Peach palette, and I'm putting this right next to the yellow. Then I'm taking the shade Wednesday from the Storybook Cosmetics Mean Girls palette, and I'm putting this right next to the blue. And I'm making sure to go in with a smaller brush first just to pack on the color, and then I'm going in with a fluffier brush just to blend it out. Then I'm going in with the shade So Fetch, and I'm putting this right between the pink and yellow. Then for my inner corners, I'm going in with the shade Cool Mom. Then for my lower lash line, I'm using this bright green shade called Mean. And then I'm just adding a clear gloss on top. And then I'm just going in with the Circus rings from Jazzy Glitter on top. And then I'm just going in with mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And for my blush, I'm going in with the shade How Deep Is Your Love from Too Faced. And then for my highlight, I'm using the Cover FX drops, and this is in the shade Halo. lips, I'm using the Milk Makeup Lip Gloss in the shade Supernova.